How to make small talk at an American barbecue. Natural English, real-life American English conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans make small talk at a backyard barbecue party. In America, barbecues are more than just food. They're social events where people relax, meet new friends, joke around, and have casual conversations. But for English learners, small talk can sometimes feel difficult. What should you say? How do you start conversations naturally? How do Americans keep conversations friendly and relaxed? That's exactly what you'll practice today. You'll learn real English phrases for meeting new people, talking about food, asking simple questions, and sounding natural in casual social situations. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking confidently. Let's begin. Arriving at the barbecue. Hey, glad you made it. Thanks for inviting me. Wow, this party looks amazing. Yeah, it turned out really nice. The weather's perfect today too. Seriously, couldn't ask for a better day for a barbecue. Exactly. Have you grabbed any food yet? Not yet. I just got here a few minutes ago. Well, you came at the right time. The grill's finally ready. Perfect timing. Talking about the food. Man, the food smells incredible. Right? Everything looks so good. Have you tried the brisket yet? Not yet. Is it actually as good as everyone says? Honestly, it's probably the best brisket I've ever had. Alright, now I definitely need to try it. You won't regret it. The burgers are amazing too. Uh-oh, I'm about to eat way too much today. That's basically the whole point of a barbecue. Fair enough. Did you make any of the food? No chance. I can barely cook eggs. Same here. I mostly just showed up hungry. Honestly, same. Meeting new people. So, how do you know the host? We actually work together. What about you? We're neighbors. Oh, nice. How long have you lived around here? About 2 years now. That's awesome. Do you like the neighborhood? Yeah, a lot actually. Everyone's been really friendly. I completely agree. That's one thing I love about this area. People are super welcoming. Definitely. It already feels more like home. That's always a good feeling. Casual small talk. So, what do you do for work? I'm in marketing, mostly social media and content stuff. Very cool. That sounds way more interesting than my job. What do you do? I work in accounting. Honestly, it's not nearly as exciting as it sounds. I think every job sounds boring eventually. That's probably true. At least weekends like this make up for it. Absolutely. Nothing beats relaxing outside with good food and good people. Exactly. Offering drinks. Can I get you something to drink? Sure. What are you having? Just lemonade. It's way too hot for coffee today. Seriously, I'll have whatever you're having. Good choice. Be right back. Thanks. By the way, the music playlist is really good. Right? Whoever made it deserves an award. Definitely not me. My playlists are terrible. Same here. I always end up listening to the same 5 songs. Ending the conversation. Well, it was really nice meeting you. You too. We should hang out again sometime. Definitely. And next time I'll actually bring food instead of just eating everything. Honestly, as long as you show up, you're good. Fair enough. Enjoy the rest of the party. You too. And don't forget to try the brisket before it's gone. Trust me, that's my next stop. Fast shadowing practice. Hey, great party, right? Yeah, the food is amazing. Have you tried the brisket? Not yet. Is it good? Best I've ever had. You gotta try it. How do you know the host? We work together. You? We're neighbors. How long have you lived here? About 2 years now. This neighborhood is really friendly. I agree. Everyone's been welcoming. Can I get you a drink? I'll have whatever you're having. Coming right up. Excellent work today. Now you know how to make natural small talk at an American barbecue using real casual English. And remember, small talk is one of the biggest parts of everyday American culture. The more you practice casual conversations like these, the easier English becomes in real life. So replay this lesson, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking naturally every single day. That's how real confidence is built, one conversation at a time. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more real-life American English conversations. Comment "barbecue done" if you practiced today, and tell me what lesson you want next. Coffee shop small talk, Uber conversation, hotel English, office conversations, airport English. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.